It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what?
Brian, don't!
Oh, well, a bird, bird,
Yeah,
bird.
you like shooting arrows at me?
Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird, the word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird.
Put that in your butter and churn it.
Gotcha.
Oh, God!
These guys just don't get it, do they?
Come here, I want to fart on your face.
I am gonna kill you so hard. Lois is on a rampage today.
Look out! I'm coming through! Ladies and gentlemen, Chris Griffin!
Guys, what's up?
All right.
Cleveland don't play.
Time to teabag a D-bag.
I told you I'm good at these white boy games.
I'm sorry, did you order the ass whooping?
Looks like a fine day for a fight.
Hey, what's the big idea? Mau.
Good evening, Quahog. I'm Tom Tucker. Can a woman really be mayor? Or will she just menstruate all over the city? Stay with us. In other news, Quahog will be experiencing rolling blackouts to help meet Superstore USA's extensive power demands. The electric company would like us to emphasize it will not be bringing you the power. We now go live to the streets of San Francisco with Asian reporter Trisha Takanawa.
Tom, I'm standing here amidst the heated debate over a recent petition to change the name of...
It seems today that all you see is violence in movies and sex on TV.
But where are those good old-fashioned values on which we used to rely? Laugh and cry.
Hey, Stewie, look, something came up. I'm not going to be able to do the picnic today.
Oh, was that today? Oh, yeah. Oh, no way I can make that either. I'm canceling too, man. Wow, good memory though. I totally blanked on that.
Stewie Griffin!
My God, Bertram! But how is this possible? I killed you!
You only killed me in this universe, you fool!
Oh, so you got yourself a multiverse remote, huh?
Indeed I did!
Wait, hold on. Will someone please tell me what the hell is going on here?
Sorry, hang on one sec. You remember the multiverse theory?
Yeah.
It's the one about how there are alternate universes that coexist with ours on parallel dimensional planes. So, in each of these universes, the reality is different from our own. Sometimes only slightly, sometimes quite radically. This Bertram is from a universe where we never killed him.
Okay, I think I got it.
Sorry, not a genius. Now what do you want?
Well, I can't possibly allow a universe to exist without me in it. I'm traveling the multiverse, building up an army to exact my revenge on you. When I return, I'm going to destroy your universe completely. See you soon, Stewie!
Brian, this is bad. With a cross-dimensional army, he'll have no problem destroying our universe. Who knows what he's going to bring back here?
Well, what are we supposed to do?
We have to try and stop him before he can organize his attack. All right, Brian, we're going to need to arm ourselves. I'm sure he knows we're going to come after him. His armies are going to be waiting for us every step of the way.
You think maybe I can use one of your ray guns?
No, I get Stewie weapons, you get the boring stuff. That's what we're doing.
Fine. But how are we going to find him? He could be anywhere, right?
Luckily, I just updated my multiverse remote, so I have tracking software now. We'll be able to follow every move he makes. Hang on, Bri. We're going back to the multiverse. What the hell? Wait a minute, Brian, this isn't where we were supposed to go.
What do you mean?
I don't know, the remote's not working for some reason. You know, everyone said, get on the cloud, it's going to be great. And everything's been a nightmare since.
Well, can you fix it?
I don't have the proper tools, but maybe we can find someone who does.
All right, well, can you at least find out where we are?
According to the Multiverse remote, this is a universe ruled by Greeks.
So, what does that mean? Fat, hairy philosophers in togas, or fat, hairy greaseballs in Speedos?
Oh yeah, Greeks have always been gross and still are. But no, it's not those kinds of Greeks, Brian. It's worse. It's frat boys.
Hey, those guys aren't like us. Get those knob gobblers.
Crap, Brian, run! We have to find someone to help us fix my remote! What's a knob gobbler?
You'll understand when you're older. Come on, Stewie, we gotta find someone who can fix the remote.
Hey, you two. Do you want to pledge to our fraternity? Here's a Torah and some bacon to rub on your face so you break out.
This might sound a little odd, but do you know if there's like an electronics store or a creepy Armenian guy in a dimly lit apartment who can fix a multiverse remote?
Oh, I can help you get that fixed, but I'll require a service in return that's worth more than the service I'll be providing you with. We need you to help our fraternity throw a better party. We've been standing around complaining for hours, but that doesn't seem to be a party to the Gentiles. Here's some ammo. Now go shoot those lame balloons down. Oh, wait until I put my earplugs in.
Pinatas? Really? What are we, 12? Can't fire your guns without ammo. This party's lame. I think there's someone throwing up over there just because they're nervous.
Come and talk to me.
Brian, I don't like it here. All these Jewish kids sadden me.
Gym once, but everyone just kept throwing medicine balls at me. I feel safer on the internet.
All right, Bri, here's the deal. Only one of us fighting at a time. Think of it like tag team wrestling. When you get hurt or too tired, tag out.
Good, you shot all the balloons. Now, oh look, there's a sorority girl running down the street. I bet her dad's so rich.
Dude, wait until my bros see these nasty pictures of you.
Hey, get back here with those! I was gonna wait one more year before I leak naked pictures of me online.
You should go talk to that sorority girl and see what's the matter. Also, ask her how much her dad has in his retirement fund.
If I stare at her long enough, maybe she'll come and talk to me, right?
Oh my god! That scumbag stole pictures of me and my sorority sisters. I'll pretend to like whoever gets them back.
Nice nips.
Wow. Someone should buy her a razor.
I'd say she's a low 7. Get those guys! They're with the nerds!
How does it feel to buy your friends?
High five! Anyone?
Well, now I won't feel bad about crapping my pants.
I'd bang that when I'm blacked out. You want the pictures? Come and get them. I already yanked it to them anyway.
These two dorks just won't quit.
Come on, let's just be bros. Okay, bro?
I think that boy in the pool is dead.
No, Stewie, he's just swimming. You see, college is all about having fun. Nope, he's dead. No one's helping him.
This is my rifle, this is my gun, this is for fighting, this is for fun.
Go get a bucket of water, folks, because this kid is on fire! Load him up, bitch!
High five! Anyone?
Oh, good job getting those pictures. You should try to find more of them so you have material to shamefully touch yourself to at night, or even very early in the morning. Now, I got a keg, but didn't want to put the deposit down for the tap. Would you find one for me? Oh, I think that house over there has one.
Let me know if you guys want to streak with me. I could always use a companion.
Hey, it's those douchebags who stole the pictures of us.
People told me not to like you, so I don't.
Mom, someone hit me!
I'm angry, but not because I'm gay.
What the hell?
I work out!
What are you guys from the nerd frat?
What are you guys?
Hey, who are those? Victory shall yet be mine.
Come on, sweetie, hurry up.
7 other girls are gonna die tonight.
Okay, I've got it.
Hey, what the hell?
Catch much? That looks like the thing Mort wants. I don't know what a tap is. Hey, can anyone stop Stewie Griffin?
Hey, come back here with our tap.
Please, sir. I want some more.
Dude, those guys are stealing our tap!
Dude, chill out.
Okay, you're starting to piss me off now.
Game over, turd. Hey, come back here with our tap.
Fix this thing.
High five! Anyone?
No. dignified tramp.
I'm angry, but not because I'm gay.
Thanks for the tap. I'm blaming everything on you. Now we need some women to come to this party. Ooh, I got a crafty idea. Listen, I need you to steal a couple of jackets from the jock friend. Bring them back here, and I'll tell you what to do next.
Stay away from
Look how gay you are!
I work out!
Ow! Mommy!
I'm spinning. I'm spinning.
Come on.
Hey, who are those dicks?
Excellent.
Hey, what the hell? Game over.
All right, shh. Let sleeping douches lie.
Positively delightful.
I think I'm gonna puke.
People told me not to, so I don't.
Can't fire your guns without running on the Jew
I
front.
work out!
High five. Anyone?
This sucks. I'm going to my dorm room
Daddy
and toss
issues!
off. Dude, get off! Dude, you suck.
Time for me to finish what I started anyway. Please, sir, I want some more.
Look how gay you are!
Dude, hands off my jacket!
Game over, turd!
Please, sir, I want some more. Oh, you want to hit, huh?
Victory shall yet be mine.
Okay, I've got it.
Check out my pets.
High five. Anyone?
I work out! Those jackets are only for the people who know the website where to order them.
This is my rifle. This is my gun. This is for fighting. This is for fun.
What are you?
Dude, get off!
I've got it.
Positively delightful.
Get those gabos! Dude, get off!
That's not your
You ain't so
property,
tough
man.
now.
Catch much?
High five. Anyone?
Brian, over here. I need someone to talk to. Great, you got the jackets. Now listen, Brian, here's a Molotov cocktail. You need to plant those jackets by the sorority's float, then set the float on fire. The girls will think the other frat did it, and then they will come to our party. I'd do it, but I feel a cold coming on. Come back here when you're done. But take your time. I'm gonna take an 8-hour nap.
Who builds floats? This is a weird college.
You know you want it.
Any of you boys ever finish on a C-section scar?
Ew, that thing is so tacky.
This is great. These whores are gonna be so pissed.
Now where's that one white girl with my coffee liquor?
My boyfriend is gonna kick your ass.
Whoever kills those guys, stop!
Campus security! What are you doing? I have no feelings!
Hey.
Oh!
Ryan, use your Molotov cocktail to destroy the float and put the jackets there so we can frame the other frat.
I can't have babies anymore, so fill me up, fellas.
I am too smart!
I'll just die already. Oh, don't have the guts to respond, huh?
You have to destroy the float, you guys. Brian, use your Molotov cocktail. Now leave the jackets there so the girls will think the other frat did it.
Now, if I can just find a midget with some
My
gin, I'll be in
boyfriend is
business.
gonna kick your ass.
Ah.
Look at this place. It's anarchy. I guess this is what happens when douchebags become way too entitled. We gotta stop them.
Brian, I've never tapped a keg and don't really want to. Please do it so I don't get hurt. Good job getting the girls in beer, but we can't hear the music even with our hearing aids turned all the way up. The house across the cul-de-sac has some speakers. Go steal those. But don't say my name if you get caught.
They got music over there. Let's go steal their speakers.
My medication?
What are you guys, from the nerd frat? Girls for life!
All right, okay. Settle down.
Hey, what the? I'm
die
angry,
if we
but
don't.
not because I'm gay.
No, I guess it's up to me.
Ooh, frat
I like taking things from these dicks.
We're entering a world of pain.
Screw off. Let's try to be a little more careful.
I am too smart!
Thank you.
Aha! Oh, look, Brian, that one's running in his dream, just like you do.
Sweet Mary, Mother of God, jackpot!
Oh, this is the rush I've been looking for.
Oh, I like taking things from these dicks.
Ah, what the hell is wrong?
I like taking things from these dicks.
Hey, let us in your party, you turds.
Let us in, you schmucks.
I think the nerds are in trouble. Come on, Brian, let's help them.
Get those gabos.
Hey, who are those dicks? Hey, bring you, dude.
Will you hold on a second? Oh, right in the sack.
Ah, dude, chill out.
This is great. Look, we're gonna die if we don't.
There it is.
I like to wrestle.
Oh, come on, that's ridiculous.
Ah, dude, chill out!
Uh-oh. You know you want it.
Yeah! Here are the dog, bro!
Hey.
Oh yeah! The droids are working!
Now, if I can just find a midget with some gin, I'll be in
Firework out!
Ah, dude, chill out! Oh yeah! The droids are working! Ah, dude, get off! But not because I'm gay.
I was too popular in high school to die.
This is great.
Can I hit that? What are you guys, from the nerd frat?
Where's my purse? I need my Coke.
No, I guess it's up to me. This is great.
My boyfriend is gonna kick your ass.
Do you mind if I humped your leg just for like a couple minutes?
This is great. Oh, this is the rush I've been looking for.
Hey,
People told me not to like you, so I don't.
Hey.
Yeah! Yeah! Where are the dog, bro? Stop!
Thank you.
Nice! Stop!
That hurt?
Now I'll never have kids that'll beat up other kids.